Tender hands now calloused beat as he works so hard on the soil, and the roots beneath his feet. He was the one who planted me by still waters as a seed. Now here he says the sun moved on, and the sun is what I need. Day and night he's always there caring for me, as he heals what's dead inside. I am with him and he is with me, what greater love than his abides. I feel the pain I cannot lie from the axe which strikes below. Things I never dreamt would ever leave are from where now I must go. I have grown attached to this holy ground, it's so hard to say goodbye. But my vines are grown in the gardener, for he has given me new. Even though I doubt and am terrified, he still knows my every need. Where he goes, I'll closely follow, for the gardener's gone before me. Now he carries all of my weight, I know. For certain I'm in good hands. I will trust that wherever he plants me, there is sun and fertile land.